What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Subaru Outback. I'm going to show you how to reset the scheduled maintenance, oil filter reminder, oil change reminder in this car. This one is the one that has the radio that looks like this. And with the radio, we're going to do all the resets here. We're going to hit car information, and then up top you have maintenance. And right here you can see engine oil, oil filter, and maintenance schedule. I'll just show you on engine oil. Hit the gear symbol here. Okay, and you can actually just hit update, which will clear out the notification date, and it'll reset your miles to 6,000 automatically. Now you can put in a date if you want. Let's go ahead and go like 6 months or something like that, and hit set. All right, looking good there, and just exit out. All right, you can see how it reset the oil right there. So we'll do the same for the filter, and we'll do the same for the maintenance. Okay, hope the video helped you out, and if it did, appreciate dropping a like, leaving a comment. See you guys in the